This is my brother's Dodge Charger Hellcat, and by Charger Hellcat I mean Audi S4 that's supercharged, so it kind of sounds like a Hellcat. And the reason why we have this today is because this car sounds like buns.
Oh my god, you can barely hear it start. You can barely hear it start.
Is it even on? This car is way too quiet, so today in this video we're going to be completely transforming the sound and waking it up with a full Valvetronic catback system and a set of catless downpipes. Before we get into that, I want to give you a breakdown of all the mods, at least that I'm aware of, that are on the car, starting with the wheels. They're Rohana forged, I don't know the exact model code, on some goddamn rubber band tires.
Yeah, they're
way
20s.
too thin, bro. The 20s look cool, but I don't know, he needs to put 19s on this. We got carbon fiber mirror caps.
Let's see.
I'm kind of just freeballing this because I don't actually know everything that he's done. This is actually one of the nicer things. It's like an Audi R8 type wheel. I don't know, it looks really good. Carbon steering wheel. The car is also lowered on BC Racing coilovers. I think it's a paint matched front lip, I don't know. And then this is the RS style grill, so it's a bigger grill. I think he also has a heat exchanger on here. DTS turbo air intake. It's on a Jacko Motorsports Stage 1 tune, so the car makes, I think, around 400 wheel. I don't know exactly. It's pretty cool, it's pretty fast. We got this carbon spoiler. It's like a PSM type lip. Carbon diffuser, and I think he has stock mufflers on the car with like a resonator delete. I don't really know this. The exhaust is pretty close to stock. He doesn't actually know that we're doing an exhaust system today. I told him I needed the car because mine had broken down. Gave me the keys. He drives a Volkswagen on the daily, so this thing actually honestly barely gets driven. I think he's put on like 40,000 kilometers since he bought it like 9 years ago, which is absurd. I'll do some casual driving. You can hear there's like a little bit of drone, but like this car is pretty quiet. I honestly think when you go like wide open throttle, it's mostly just the supercharger going nuts. I mean, you can't hear anything.
No,
like actually, you can't hear anything.
You can hear the supercharger, I think, but
they heard the supercharger.
Yeah, they heard it.
It's pretty fast, though, eh?
Oh, it is. It actually feels fast. Okay, ready?
It's super linear.
That thing is so quiet. The supercharger honestly sounds nice though. You ready?
I'll do one clutch dump. Oh, if something breaks, I'm actually gonna be in trouble.
It's honestly not that bad. It's pretty peppy.
Why? Yo, Ryan, why do you have a speed warning at 125 on your car? What? Before we go any further, you already know what time it is. We gotta say thanks to this video sponsor, VIOFO. I wanna show you guys my honest favorite dash cam, which is this A229 Pro, which is what I have in the Civic. It's got Sony Starvis 2 image sensors for front and rear, 4K Ultra HD. It's a 3-channel dash cam, so you can have one going to the front, inside the car, and out the back. I'm only using 2. It's got built-in Wi-Fi, it can be voice controlled, it's got parking mode, it's got GPS loggers. This dash cam really does it all. I can't even tell you how many crazy things I've captured on the road with my dash cam, but not only that, it gives you that peace of mind and keeps you safe while you're driving. If a hit and run happens, for insurance purposes, it's got you covered. I post a lot of dash cam content. I've used a lot of dash cams. I know my way around a bad one and a good one, and this, again, my favorite one I've ever used. Can I hear a little rev? No, it sounds good. If you want to buy a dash cam for yourself, make sure you check out the link in the description. You can use this code for a discount. Now let's get back to the video. Let's go ahead and get this car on the lift, and we're going to unbox the exhaust, make this thing sound a lot better. And Ryan, I know you're honestly probably not watching this, but happy birthday. like earlier I said we were going catless downpipes, but they're actually resonated downpipes from Garage Autosport. What does the Audi S4 sound like with no exhaust system?
Today in this video, we're gonna find out what an S4 sounds like with no exhaust. Why is it quiet?
I don't know, it's so expensive.
Yeah, what the hell?
And the exhaust system is done and installed. It looks great. We did a staggered carbon fiber tip. This is kind of as much out as they could come. I'm not a huge fan of doing like a blast pipe, so it kind of flows in the diffuser nicely. But I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna show you guys what this thing sounds like. The startup on this car, as you guys heard when it had no exhaust on it, really still wasn't that loud. I don't know why the cold starts or warm starts are super quiet, but let me show you some revs. Hold on, I gotta be rolling so I can go over 4K.
Sounds way better.
Yo, that sounded good.
Sounds good. Sounds good.
It sounds like a GTR a little bit.
Yeah, low key. Yeah, that sounds way better.
One of the best things with this exhaust too that I knew my brother didn't want to have and didn't want to deal with is drone. Because the car has resonated downpipes, it definitely helps a ton. Like, you can drive this car casually and normally, it's not gonna give you a headache, you're not gonna hear anything annoying, and you can also drive past a cop and I don't think they'd even bat an eye at you if you're just calm. It's pretty quiet until you actually get on it, and then obviously you can hear a little bit of a tone, but again, it's not annoying or obnoxious by any means. Speed warning. Damn, honestly, this car feels really good, but it does lose a lot of its like oomph in higher RPM or higher speed. For the car being all-wheel drive, it's somewhat heavy. It's definitely like more than enough fun for the street and more than enough power for street driving. Audi!
That's an S4.
Is it?
Yeah. It's an old S4.
Oh my god, first gear is kind of violent.
Yeah, it's kind of violent, bro. I hit my head on the seat.
That car sounds wicked. Let me know what you guys think, and I'm excited to see my brother's opinion. I did tell him that I'm making the car a bit louder, so he's gonna come by soon, check it out, let me know what he thinks. I'm excited to see his opinion on it. Big thanks to Valvetronic and big thanks to Garage Autosports. So if you're looking for an exhaust system, check out Valvetronic and check out Garage Autosports. It'll be linked down below. I almost forgot, the whole point of Valvetronic is the fact that you get a valved remote to make your car quiet or loud. Now, I didn't know how to do this wire setup, so Owen showed me how to do it. Tapped into the fuse box there, and then tapped into that ground. Then that cable runs all the way around, boom, into the controller box module. We've also got the vacuum line that runs from there through this magical hole, comes down into this bridge, and you get one line going to that muffler and the other line going to this muffler. Everything is set up. I'm gonna show you how it works. You gotta turn the ignition on. As you can see, the valve is closed. You just go here and hold this button down, and now it's fully open. Okay, so my brother is here to pick his car up. All we did was add some new tips because his last tips were pretty ugly.
You said that you're gonna make the car louder though. How are tips gonna do that?
Let me start the car and I'll show you. Honestly, the startups aren't that much louder.
What did you do?
They're just exhaust tips. They're just like really big.
What is going on under there, man?
They're really big exhaust tips. It's a Valvetronic catback exhaust, and then the set of resonated downpipes from Garage AutoSport. I honestly haven't even heard what this car sounds like with the valves closed. Oh my god.
It sounds like a Dyson.
Okay, I want you to drive it. Let's go. We're going for a drive. You can say it right now. It sounds like it's calm and it's fine, right? Like it's not too loud.
Dude, you can't hear anything inside the cab. It's perfect.
Yeah, I know. There's no drone.
There's no drone. The resonators are hitting.
Yeah, then you hear it like that. It opens up a little bit there. Hold it, like rev it to 4K, hold it, and then full dump, and then pedal the floor and dump the clutch. Yeah, like let go of the clutch and floor at the same time.
It actually cooks.
No, it was good. No, it's fast though, and like the launches are fast.
Oh man. I can't believe I've never done that.
Okay, now you need to look at the camera, and you need to tell them to like and subscribe.
Make sure you like and subscribe to Doubts.
It's not even my...
What is going on?
Oh, there's a person on a car. I don't know what's going on here, but I'm just gonna end the video right now.